What's up, everybody, and welcome to J Musique Inc. I am Jackie. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to this channel as well as hit the bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a video.
Alright guys, let's jump right into it. So as you can see, I am applying tape to my eyes, and that's because I want a very crisp, precise edge. And I'm applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This time I chose the shade Creamy Beige. I needed a lighter base. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my lid, and I'm going to blend out those edges. Now that we've blended out that concealer, I'm going in with my Morphe 504 brush, and I'm choosing the contour shade out of the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And I'm going to use that color as my transition, and I'm applying that just above my crease. So I'm going to continue to pack in that contour shade and just build it up until I get it to the shade that I'm pleased with. So now I'm going into my blush, my MAC blush, and the color is called Film Noir, and I'm using my Morphe 518 brush, and I'm just going to build that color up into my crease. As I'm blending that blush into my crease, I'm also bringing it up a little just to kind of blend into my transition shade. I'm going back in with my Morphe 504 brush, and I'm just applying a little bit more of that contour shade out of the Black Radiance palette, and I'm just going to apply that to my transition. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Sedona Lace eyeshadow brush. I believe it's the number 11, and I'm packing in that Film Noir blush onto my lid, and I'm bringing it just to my crease, and I'm going to blend that out. Okay, so now I'm applying my lashes, and these are the Ardell Studio Effects lashes in the number 230. Now I'm applying my Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer to my entire face. And then my MAC Fast Response Eye Cream under my eyes. I've had bags under my eyes lately, and this really helps. Now I'm applying my Milk of Magnesia onto my face with my Sedona Lace foundation brush. And then color correcting as usual. Now I'm going in with my concealer. Of course, you know this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend in that concealer with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Okay, so today as my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline 24 Hour Foundation in the shade 330, which is called Toffee Caramel. And I absolutely love this foundation. It's so full coverage, it's lightweight, it's great. I love it. And as usual, I'm going in to highlight with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan. Now I'm going to go in with my Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup Setting Powder, and I'm going to set all the areas that I highlighted. So that's under my eyes, my mouth, around my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Okay, now I'm applying my highlighter, and this is the Makeup Addiction highlighter, and the color is called Orgasmic. And of course, you know I'm applying my blush, and this is the MAC Cosmetics blush, and I believe it is called Harmony. This is like a oldie but goodie. Now I'm applying my lip liner, and the lip liner is by Ruby Kisses, and the shade is Burgundy Wine. And I'm just applying that to my lips and shading into the center. Okay, now I'm going to apply my lipstick, and this is by Milani Cosmetics, and the color is called Catwalk Pink, and it's number 45. Okay, so now I'm applying a lip gloss that I got from Victoria's Secrets. I'll be sure to mention the name of it in the description box below. And then on top of that, I'm applying Girl Next Door by Hard Candy. And this look is complete, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!